Now, open up your book and carefully listen to the poem A Trip to the Lake on page number 22 and 23.
A trip to the lake. Come and join us on a trip. We are going to the lake. Bring an umbrella in case it rains. For lunch, we have egg sandwiches and cake. There are many interesting animals to see, an alligator and an otter or two. And on the boat, we are sure to find some fun things for you to do. Bring some cream just in case an insect decides to bite. And late under the apple tree, I'll show you how to fly a kite.
Now, let's come to the learning key. Try to read the poem once again by yourself and then observe the sounds of the highlighted vowels at the start of each word. These are initial vowel sounds. Now, let's do an activity. Use the internet to find some poems about the environment.